I'm going to work now, so get dressed with me! Ay, naiya ako mag-get dressed with me kasi andyan na sa kabila si Gab. Sobrang early niya. So, time check, grabe naman mag-time check. Time check, it's 6:25. So, it's 6:25 and my clock. Ayan. So, today, gusto ko mag-wear ng black. And guess what? Hindi pa to. Hala. So, let's start with the pants. Ito yung gagamitin ko, low-rise, wide leg na pants. Nakuha ko din, wide leg pants pala. Wide. Basta yun. Oo, yun. Ito yun. So, let's try it on. So, this is the fit ng pants. Sobrang ganda. Ang ganda ng pants. Baka isell ko to. Ay, hindi mag-isell. Yun. So, for the top, I have two options na black kasi I want to wear black today. Kasi, parang feel ko lang mag-black today. Pero ang ganda naman, di ba, ng pink na to? Parang ganito na lang. Kaso, may hole ito dito. So, hindi siya aesthetic. So, this is the first option. Super flower yung details niya. And, parang bagay ito sa shorts. Do you think so? I don't know. Comment down if okay lang siya i-pair dito sa aking pants or no. So, let's go to the second option. Second option, like a plain black na sleeveless lang talaga. So, let's try it on. So, this is it for the second option. Should I tuck in or not? Feeling ko mas maganda tong second option kaysa sa first one, right? Is it better with this one or with the previous one? So, should I do tuck in? Wait. So, this is it. Kapag naka-tuck in, feeling ko ito yung pipiliin ko. Kasi ang ganda ng kurba dito. So, it's just like, hindi lang obvious dyan sa camera ko, but it's like giving body hugging type of sleeveless na top. I was like, So, ayun. Sobrang ganda. And also, bagay siya sa aking pants. So, I'll wear my shoes again kasi wala naman akong other options. Limited lang. So, I'll wear again this one kasi mas suiting siya sa outfit na to. And this is it kapag naka-shoes na. So, later, since this is my work outfit, maglalagay ako nito kasi baka hindi makafocus yung mga employees dun sa HR na ito dahil sobrang labas yung cleavage. So, ayun, magja-jacket lang ako for later. Pero now, hindi lang muna kasi sobrang init. So, this will be the look kapag naka-jacket. So, ganyan lang siya later. And for the bag, I'll be using the same bag all over again. Wait lang. Ayan. This is my final outfit for today. So, papunta na yung pinaka-beautiful HR niyo dyan.